Hi and welcome to Inbound Explained. In today's video, we're going to review 10 characteristics of effective advertising. As consumers, we've all seen our fair share of ads that wow us and ads that don't. So what makes a difference? In both traditional and digital advertising, there are a few characteristics that make an ad effective or not. So let's take a look at what those factors are. 1. It's promotional. The definition of advertising is to promote or draw attention to a product or service in order to encourage sales. This means effective advertising must be promotional. Good advertising focuses on influencing purchasing habits. A good advertisement is promotional in nature, though this promotion can be more or less subtle depending on the ad's objectives. 2. It's persuasive. Effective ads must convince consumers that a certain product or service is better than the competition's. Persuasive advertising assures that a product can solve a consumer's needs or improve their life in some way. Remember those lessons about ethos, pathos, and logos from school? Effective advertising uses these tools all the time, like appealing to consumers' emotions, winning their trust with their authority, or using logical reasons to justify the purchase of a product. 3. It's part of the company's overall marketing strategy. The most visible side of advertising is definitely on the creative sides, like a TV spot or social media ads, but behind that creativity, there's also a lot of strategy. Effective advertising should be aligned with the global interest of the brand or company. 4. It's targeted. In the past, advertising relied on mass media such as radio and TV to reach as wide an audience as possible. Effective advertising in today's world requires highly targeted and segmented audiences. Every brand has a buyer persona or ideal customer profile they're trying to attract. The more focused your advertising is on a particular audience, the more effective it will be. 5. It's an investment. Advertising campaigns require an investment of time, resources, and of course, money. Generally, the channel issuing the advertisements charges a certain amount in exchange for its distribution. A good ad campaign will increase the company's profits and should exceed the invested cost. To understand the relationship between cost, advertisers measure the campaign's ROI, or return on investment. A positive ROI indicates that the advertising campaign has been a success. 6. It's original. It's no secret that advertising suffers from market saturation. Think about it. We're exposed to hundreds of ads a day in different formats, and most of the time, we don't even pay attention to them. Therefore, effective advertising stands out from the competition by using unexpected formats and resources. You can grab a user's attention by emphasizing the novelty of your product or service, offering a great deal, or just doing something completely out of the box. 7. It's creative. Whether it be a video that tells a story, an attention-grabbing image, or a catchy jingle, effective ads use creativity to stand out and make a brand immediately identifiable or memorable. The best creative ads manage to surprise users, move them to action, and become instantly memorable, all while remaining faithful to the principles of the brand or product. 8. It's consistent. Truly great ads stay consistent to the core of the brand and the values associated with it. Consistency in advertising also allows for greater brand recognition and memorability. Therefore, a key aspect of advertising is consistency. Ideally, each consumer within the target audience should receive enough impact to remember the brand and its message, but not so much that it becomes annoying or saturated. 9. It's personalized. Personalization is an increasingly important trend in recent advertising, and it's getting easier than ever. Truly effective ads are increasingly personalized to the characteristics and needs of a particular user. Emails with personalized content or remarketing ads with products from a user's cart are a great example. And number 10, it's ethical. Because of its persuasive power, advertising should prevent promoting misleading information or sharing unethical campaigns. While there are several public bodies that regulate the ethical aspect of advertising, it is also essential that advertisers and agencies take responsibility. In the end, honest and clean advertising reflects the values of the advertiser, contributes to improving a brand's image, and it's just beneficial in the long run. I hope these 10 characteristics can inspire you for your next advertising campaign. If you have any questions, feel free to drop us a question in the comment section below. If you want to learn more about marketing or inbound marketing, make sure you're subscribed, and we'll see you in the next video.